Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting each paint run closely to judge its size and depth, know whether it's a surface bead or has pooled paint. Once done, clear the area and put down drop cloth so dust won't settle. You should have 320 and 600 grit sandpaper, a soft sanding block, a plastic scraper, and a tack cloth ready. Make sure the paint is dry to the touch. If not, wait or use gentle heat to set it before you begin sanding. You'll remove the excess by sanding the run down to the surrounding level. Start with 320 grit and a flat block to avoid creating dips. Once the high ridge is gone, switch to 400 then 600 grit to feather the edges so the repair blends. Take your time and check frequently. After each pass, wipe the area clean with a tack cloth and inspect under angled light. If you see low spots, a tiny skim of primer or paint may be needed later. You finish by priming any feathered area with a thin skim coat and letting it dry fully, then sand lightly with 600 grit to smooth. Next, repaint using thin, even passes, maintaining about a 50% overlap and correct spray or brush distance to avoid new runs. Once cured, inspect, and if you still see a small imperfection, repeat light sanding then another thin coat rather than heavy coverage. If issues persist, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.